Today, I want to talk about something that many homeowners completely overlook when they decide to sell: the design mistakes that silently destroy buyer interest. I have seen this dozens of times: luxury apartments, townhouses, villas, all beautifully built but still struggling to sell because of how the space feels. Hey everyone, and welcome to Back the Designerist. If you are new here, I am Ceylan, an interior designer and architect based in Dubai. I have spent years designing and transforming homes for clients, for small apartments to full villa renovations. And one thing that I have learned is this: design isn't just about beauty, it's about perceptions. Buyers don't just look at home, they sense it: the light, the smell, the layout, the little details. Everything sends a signal about value, care, and lifestyle. Real estate agencies are reaching out to us to request clever renovations to make the apartment look more luxurious than the current one, because they have seen it firsthand how these changes can boost buyers' appeal and add value to the property. They are also adding that customers don't want to handle all the renovation process, even small touch-ups. Customers want to buy and move directly. So today, let's walk through 10 things you should absolutely avoid when selling your home, and more importantly, how to fix them. Because presentation isn't about faking perfection, it's about making the people feel at home. Number 1, personal overload. The first mistake: too much of you in the home. Family photos, travel keepsakes, wall art with quotes, kids' drawings, they all tell buyers one thing: this is someone else's space. And when they feel that, they can't emotionally move in. You don't have to strip away warmth, just edit it. Keep one or two pieces that add personality, but remove anything that tells a very specific story. Buyers aren't looking for your memories, they are trying to imagine their own future in that home. And to do that, they need space visually and emotionally. Number 2, poor lighting. Lighting can make a beautiful home feel cheap, or make an average one feel high end. When I entered a home with cold white fluorescent bulb or a single overhead light, I instantly know the design was never finished. Layer your lighting. Combine ceiling lights, wall hang lights, and floor lamps. Change bulb to warm white around 3000 Kelvin. If your ceiling height allows, add pendant or indirect lighting. Buyers don't just see light, they feel the mood. And homes with a good light sell faster because they feel more comfortable, more expensive, and more alive. Number 3, outdated finishes and fixtures. This is one big and easy to fix without a full renovation. I have seen listings where everything looked fine on paper, but the moment you see yellow switches, old handles, or shiny chrome faucet from 90s, the space instantly feels old. Buyers mentally add up the cost of updated, and that lowers your perceived value. Swap handles, replace tapware, and spray outdated hardware matte black, brush nickel, or brass. Even small upgrades can make the whole home feel 10 years younger. Number 4, cluttered surface and too much furniture. This is probably the most common mistake I see: homes that are over-furnished and over-decorated. When buyers walk in, they want to sense flow, to imagine how they will live there. But when everything's surface is covered and every wall is filled, the home feels smaller and busier. Simplify it. Clear 70% of what on your counters, sideboards, and shelves. And with furniture, less is more. Keep the pieces that define function, like a sofa and coffee table, but remove extras. Empty space is emotional space, and that's what it sells. Number 5. Neglected maintenance. This is the deal breaker. Loose door handles, cracked tiles, squeaky doors, and cheap paint. They send one message: this home hasn't been cared for. And buyers don't see small fixes, they see hidden problems. Before listing, go through every room with a repair mindset. Tighten screws, patch paint, replace silicone in bathroom, and clean grout lines. These details cost almost nothing but add huge value. A well maintained home builds trust, and trust sells faster than any marketing. Number 6. Poor smell and air quality. You can have the nicest furniture and perfect staging, but if the home smells bad, it's over. Pet odors, cooking smells, and humidity, they all leave subconscious impression. Before showing, open the windows, deep clean fabrics, and avoid heavy air freshener. A neutral clean aroma is the best. Think fresh laundry or subtle citrus. People remember how a home smells just as much as how it looks. Number 7. Flashy colors or strong themes. I love bold design when it's personal, but for selling, bold colors is dangerous. A red wall or a navy blue ceiling can make a room memorable, but not in a good right way. Buyers start thinking about painting cost, not the layout. Keep walls soft and neutral. Use color through art, cushions, or decor. You can take away later. You are not decorating for Instagram. You are designing for a sale. Number 8. Ignoring natural light and views. You will be shocked how many people close curtains or blocked windows during viewings. Natural light is the number one selling point in almost every property market. Pull back curtains, clean windows, remove bulk furniture near glass. If the view isn't perfect, add shining shears that softens but still allow brightness. Remember, buyers fall in love with light long before they fall in love with layout. Number 9. Messy outdoor or entry areas. Your front door and balcony tell the story before the buyers even step inside. If they see dusty plants, broken pots, or pile of shoes, their brain immediately labels the home as tired. Clean the threshold, add greenery, pressure wash tiles, and if possible, add soft outdoor lighting. A simple styled balcony can increase the perceived space of your apartment, especially in cities like Dubai, where outdoor living is a lifestyle extension. Number 10. Ignoring proportion and flow. This one's subtle, but it's the difference between the nice home and wow, this feels perfect. When furniture scale doesn't match the space, huge sofas in small rooms, tiny rugs under large tables, the entire design feels off. Fixing proportion isn't expensive. Measure your layout. Ensure there is comfortable circulation. Use rugs that frame zones, not suffocate them. Good flow makes buyers feel calm, and calm sells faster than design itself. So, those are the 10 design mistakes that can instantly turn buyers off, and the smart, inexpensive ways to fix them. So, don't forget, when you sell, you are not just presenting a property, you are presenting confidence. A home that looks cared for, balanced, and bright says, this space is valuable. If you want more design driven tips that actually affect the property value, from renovation strategies to styling psychology, make sure you subscribe to the Designerist. I am sharing the real design logic that helps you not only live better, but sell smarter. See you in the next one.